Hello, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to look at how to construct a farm water tanker base. That is a base for our tanker. You know, in agriculture we need a lot of water for irrigating our crops and do other so many tasks at our farm. So we're going to look at how to construct a farm water tanker base. Step number 1, we are going to set a circular base of radius greater than that of the tanker to be used by around 7 inches, and we need the following. So the requirements are well-baked bricks. The bricks should be well-baked. We need cement, clean water, we need stones, we shall need the sand, and then finally the technical knowledge. So we are going to construct our base. We are not going to use a layman. We are going to use somebody who is technical in handling our construction work. As you are seeing them doing their work, we need somebody who knows how to set the circular base, knows that we are going to dig to get where our base is going to be set in a circular form. So remember, we said that circular base is going to be slightly above 7 inches. Important points to note. We have a number of points to note here which are important. First of all, we need to lay the bricks in a header form to make the walls stronger. We are not going to lay them in a stretcher form. Secondly, we are going to use a water level to produce a flat platform. So our platform, we need it to be flat so that our tanker sits on a flat surface, on a flat platform, so that we don't get problems of leakage and so on and so forth. And also, let it be raised slightly above the height of a 20-liter jerry can. So when we are going to construct our base, we are going to let it be raised slightly above a 20-liter jerry can. You know basically how high the 20-liter jerry can is. So when you are constructing, you bring your physically 20-liter jerry can and set it there. So the height of our base for our tank is going to be slightly above the height of a 20-liter jerry can. This is very important because it's going to help us to use a number of jerry cans in different sizes. Because when I set it at a height greater than 20-liter jerry can, it means that we are going to have the 10-liter jerry can fitting there, the 5-liter jerry can fitting there, 2-liter jerry can fit there, a basin can fit there, a bucket can fit there. So don't let that base be below that. Also, we are going to divide our circular base into 4 parts. So don't just construct circular base, that is the circumference only. No, we are going to divide that circumference into 4 parts. We are going to divide our circumference into 4 parts, as we are seeing it now, how they are constructing it. After doing that, step number 2, we are going to have our 4 divided parts, then fill the 4 parts with the hard core. We are going to get hard core and fill the 4 parts of our base. As you are seeing, those people, they are doing their work. This is very important to make the walls stronger, that is, their circumference is going to be stronger, to make our base for the tanker sit at a very strong platform. So you need to divide the circumference into 4 parts. Then after that, we are saying that fill the 4 parts with the hard core. As you are seeing those people, they are filling the hardcore into our 4 divided parts. So those people who don't have hardcore, you can fill it with the broken bricks, but it is better to use the hardcore. But due to economics, if you don't have the hardcore, fill it with broken bricks, but not soil. Don't use soil, because soil will actually be compressed easily, and we shall have our tanker base developing problems. So it is better to fill it with the hardcore, because when you fill it with the hardcore, it is actually easy to be in position to get in contact with the mortar. Then step 3, after filling the 4 parts with hardcore, we are going to mix our sand, stones, cement, clean water to produce what we call the mortar. Then we mix the mortar, which includes stones, sand, cement, and clean water. Then that mortar, we are going to use it to cover our hardcore, as you are seeing them. So we cover the hardcore, we try to produce a fine kind of layer at the top of the hardcore. Try to compress it a little bit so that the stones, the sand, and the cement, that mixture can penetrate through all the holes which have been left there between the hardcore and the walls, as we are seeing in the video there. Then we are through with filling the top of hardcore. Step number 4. This is what we're going to do at step number 4. What we are going to do, step number 4, we are going to have our sand mixed with the cement and clean water to produce a mixture which we are going to use to make the top layer of our platform, as we are seeing in the video there. We are going to make sure that the top layer of our platform is flat. So if you are interested and very new to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and comment, so that the next video we are going to upload, you don't miss it out. Watch out for the continuation of this video. Thank you for watching.